finish up, and I'll show you a little bit of where we're at today. So the first, kind of just a quick check-in with some SEL. And as we go through that, how might an activity like this help some of your students in supporting and getting in a sense of their social emotional ideas, or some learning that they're occurring of how are they feeling, where are they at, et cetera. So the first question, again, this is off of the Desmos site, and I can show you how to adjust those later. But looking at where we're at as an overlay of folks, 28 of us are in here. So generally positive and tired and energetic spread out there, and some nice comments there on the side. Running late, great day, feeling good, stung by a wasp. Ooh, sorry. Fresh, I like that. I like it. All right, well, say again.
Oops. Me too, wasp sting.
Oh no, they're out and about. Look out. Sorry.
I didn't even see him today.
Hopefully we're not allergic.
I don't think so. I don't know. I'll find out.
We'll find out. All right. So good. Positive. Maybe a couple of us, some tired, some energy, maybe around the middle. One of the questions that we asked too about what is your comfort level with technology? And this idea from red to green, this is kind of an orangish. So maybe in the middle a little bit, but you can kind of see a little bit of how we've spaced out. So a lot of us are getting better, it says. Oh, so we have an expert last 5 years. So we have someone that has made some Desmos activities. So that will be great down the road to get more collaboration together today. Also, the next one, I just want to go looking a little bit about the energy level. I like this one, talking about, kind of giving some information about graphing the x-axis, y-axis in regards to energy level and over time. So one of them is at a nice steady slope. So some of us are thinking about energy level increasing. A lot of us look at a roller coaster, maybe the amplitude's a little bit different. A couple of us are starting off with some energy this last month or a week and kind of going down. End of the summer, we're steady. All right. Well, thanks for just checking in with us about how you're doing. And again, you can kind of see how we can get a sense of emotional state, but also we could ask a little bit about some content. What is your understanding of yesterday's activities, et cetera. So we're just going to kind of skim over that, and I'll come back and show you a little bit what I see on the teacher side as we move through there. And we're going to be doing some math together. And again, I just want to remind you all, as we work together and we struggle with each other in terms of the content, perhaps, or as we go through and we share each other's idea, just have confidence. Use that habits of mind to tackle new problems, as well as that growth mindset to kind of think about new ways of looking at things, as well as we are, working together, keeping the, inviting the stranger into your learning space, as well as keeping an open heart and open mind to ideas and considering the opinions and ideas of others. So I appreciate your kind of the initial thought about and ideas about what's happening in your personal life. So thank you for sharing that, and gives us a sense of where you're at in technology too. So please add to the conversation, as well as giving some new ideas that we might have missed as we plan this. Another piece of Desmos that I wanted to highlight is the activity components. That was kind of a starter screen where like little bits of questions and gathering information. This next group is developed by a colleague of mine out of the NCESD, Carrie Haug, who's the regional science coordinator. I wanted to share this with you to kind of show how it kind of paralleled a little bit of one of the units in modeling our world around forestry. So again, I'll drop that in the chat, your student access. There's multiple slides, and so I wanted you to see how that flows with Desmos. And we're going to just kind of skim the surface on this one. There's a little video, how you can interact with more of a lesson type, as well as different types of the platform that Desmos has to offer. So the student view is, you can either access it via the typing into the browser or in the chat right now, there's a link that you can access, and it should bring you to, again, that same, and now that you've been in Desmos, you can open it and it should recognize who you are. So this one is also paused. So let's see how we are populating the, whoops, the activity. Let's see if we're getting in there. All right, look at us. All right, there's the link, there's a 6-digit code, and I will unpause, and we will have you a chance just to kind of go through this, and I'm going to probably give you 4 minutes on my time to just to play around with this and see how far you get within the activity.